Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we are going to create an animated progress bar. So let's get started. So first of all, this is our body. Inside body we will be having a div with a class of progress container. And inside it we will have a div with a class of progress bar. That's it for HTML. Now let's come inside our head and we will provide few styles. So style, first we will have body. So we want this progress bar, this progress container to be right at the center. So we will have a background color. Let's make it a little bit darker, which is #111. Next, make its display flex. And as you already know, two more properties that we need to make our progress container right at the center for display flex. That is justify content center and align items center, right? And we are going to provide a height of say 100 VH, which is 100% viewport height. All right. Next, dot progress container. We want its width to be around say 500 pixel. It will have a padding of 5 pixel. Let's have a border radius of around 25 pixel and provide a background color which is lighter than this background color. So let's make it #222. All right. Next, let's style our progress bar. Now, for the progress bar, let's make its height 30 pixel. It will also have a border radius of 25 pixel and background, let's make it linear gradient 90 degree and provide the colors #FF 8C00 and #FF 4500. All right. And for now, let's provide a width, say 300 pixel. All right. Let's hit save and let's take a look. See, how is this? Okay, it's not over. Yes, friend. So the thing is, here we are going to write here 80%. All right. And this progress bar, let's make its text align right at the center. And also let's make its font weight bold. Now let's take a look. Yeah, let's make its color and see, we want this text to be right at the center vertically. How we can do that? We know its height is 30 pixel, right? Let's do the magic of line height. Yes, line height also make it 30 pixel. Now you will see it got right at the center, isn't it? Okay, next is our animation part. Yes, friend. And that we are going to do in our next lecture. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.